Okay guys, so I've been wanting to do this video for freaking ever. I'm going to be showing you how to do the highlights on your Instagram page. So we're just going to hop right into this video, guys. This is fairly easy to do. And once you're done, your page is going to look freaking amazing. So, okay, if you guys don't know, the highlights on your page are like the little buttons, the little circles. Everybody has them now. They're like freaking trending, and it makes your page look so awesome and like well put together, especially when you're doing like color schemes and stuff like that. I absolutely love the page highlights. I think it was a brilliant idea for Instagram to come up with. So what you're going to do is go into Google and you're going to select the first thing that comes up, and I believe it's called icons. It's called iconsdb.com. So this is where you're going to get the icons from. You can create basically any color that you want. For this theme, I'm going with this pink shade, but I'm going to show you guys really quick how you select any color. So you're just going to go down to that color bar and you're going to select any color that you want. As you guys can see, it's like any color basically that you want. When I say any color, I mean any color. So you're just going to select the color that you want and you're going to hit go, and then that's how you're going to get all the icons in that one color. Once you select your color, you can scroll down and they do have like a selective color options there, which you can choose from those if you don't want to like make your own color. And the good thing about this website is that you can choose icons for like everything, guys. So what you're going to do is basically super easy, super simple. You're just going to click on the download ICO link and you're going to choose the size that you want. I usually use the 64, and we're basically just going to screenshot this. Yes, guys, screenshot. So you're going to have to figure out how to stroll the icon down in the middle and screenshot it at the same time. And that's basically how you get the icon, and then you're just going to crop that and save it. So then we're going to go back into Instagram. So this part depends. If you're trying to update highlights that you already have, it's actually easier. You can just click on that highlight on your page, and then you're going to go to the little dots on the side, and then you're going to click edit highlights, and you can basically use any picture, so you don't have to upload to your story every time you're trying to change the thumbnail of your highlight. So then you're just going to zoom that picture in, make sure it's nice and centered because you want it to look very professional, and you're just going to hit done. I'm just using this Instagram icon as a example. This is my pregnancy highlight, and I'm just going to show you guys how that looks, even though I'm going to go back and change it because this is for my pregnancy pictures and I want to keep it as the little baby pacifier binky thingy. So yeah, I'm just going to go back and put my original highlight as it was, and then I'm going to show you guys how to create a highlight basically from scratch. So from scratch, you're just going to basically go into your Instagram and click the little camera button. So after you see the camera button, you're going to see the screenshot that you saved, the Instagram one, and you're just going to put basically whatever you're trying to link there. Like for instance, you're trying to put your Facebook page maybe, because you're going to want to put Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and stuff like that. So let's just say that you're putting Facebook, you're going to put where you're directing the people at, and which is going to be Facebook, and I'm just going to type Facebook here, and I'm just going to leave that up top, and then you're going to put like swipe up to go to your Facebook page, and then you're going to want to include your Facebook page URL. So this is basically directing everyone to your Facebook page once they swipe up. Not every highlight has to have a URL to it. Some highlights are just for like PR or like my pregnancy and stuff like that. It's just like stuff to remember basically. So this highlight is going to have a URL attached, so whenever the person swipes up, they're going to be directed to my Facebook page. And this is also for marketing and basically sending your followers from Instagram everywhere else that you're on, like every platform you're on. So then you're going to click the button here that says share to story, And once that's on your story, then you're able to add it to your highlights by going back to your Instagram highlights, you know, clicking that little picture where your profile is. And then you're going to see on the side it's going to say highlight. So you just want to press create new highlight, and then you want to type in Facebook. And then once you type in Facebook, you're going to go to view on my profile. Then you're going to go to the highlight that you just added onto your profile, which was that Facebook one. And you're going to go to edit highlight, and then you're going to go to edit cover. Then you're going to zoom in on that logo and make sure it's nice and centered. You don't want it to look retarded and like all over the place. You want to make sure it's like perfectly centered. And basically that's how you create a new highlight, guys. It's super easy. Everyone always switches up their highlights. As you guys can see, I have a lot of highlights on my page, but I always make sure my highlight matches my Instagram thumbnail picture. If you want to go out and go like even crazier and create your own like icons, you can also do that. Sometimes I do that with Photoshop if I cannot find the color or the theme that I'm looking for. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you do it. I really hope this video helped you guys. I know a lot of people have asked me how to do highlights, including my best friend Mandy. So this video is definitely for her because I told her I was going to make it for a while now. So I'm finally making it. Hope this video helped you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.